Looking for a Land Rover Defender that doesn't break the bank, then pay attention to the next few minutes, because we've just bought this car and it's a Land Rover Defender 110 D240, 240 brake horsepower, and it's an SE spec as well, so it's got lovely features. But look at the exterior. Eiger Grey, full black pack, 90 bonnet decal, 20-inch wheels, all-terrain tyres, roof rails, steps, mud flaps, spare wheel cover. It looks great from the exterior. With the air suspension as well, which is a really key feature of these Defender 110s. This is a lovely car, and it's got full Land Rover service history. So on a 2020 registration, 39,000 miles, full dealership history. Exterior looks to die for. I've missed the arch extensions as well, by the way. This is a great value Defender 110. The SE spec giving you the matrix lights, which really make a difference when you're driving these cars, and especially to look at from the front end, you must agree. Black styling package with black Defender badging, insert into the bumper, the 110 bonnet decal, and the black sections checkerboarding to the bonnet. But then look at this, the arch extension package, really beefing it up from the exterior styling. These lovely 20-inch gloss black wheels with all-terrain tyres. Now this car is going to come fully prepared to you if you buy it, which means it'll go through MOT for 12 months. Whatever else it needs, brakes, tyres, service requirements, we will do. But as a vehicle, without even touching it, it is wonderful. Beautiful order, it really is. Steps as an option, and then this is an SE, so we've got keyless entry. Look at this interior. Leather and robust decks, seats, which are fully electric with driver and passenger memory, Meridian sound system, obviously Pivi Pro, heated seats, air suspension. We've also got blind spot assist, but then we've got the ClearSight camera as well in the middle, which I'll show you on the other side of the car. So specification is outstanding, but the colour is lovely. The exterior looks are really good. Detachable Towbar, 240 horsepower, so it'll pull really well. And we've got the spare wheel cover in Eiger Grey as well. This is what the 110 is all about. It gives you exterior styling, but the boot space and space in the rear as well. You'll see on the left-hand side here, we've got your air suspension. We've also got a full set of carpet mats, but we've got rubber mats throughout this car as well. So previous keepers looked after it. That's really important. And then you've got your 110 space in the rear, so your rear passengers do get that great experience. Loads and loads of room in the back. Points for attaching rear media if you want to. It's got USB points in the back of the seats there. And then inside, like I say, Meridian sound, memory seats, lovely spec. Steps are really important because, as you can see, it helps you get in and out these. They are a high up vehicle. If you've never driven one before, you get a really lovely driving position. This is a really nice feature of one of these 110s, not seen often, but you've got the ClearSight camera, which is in the aerial, which obviously you're looking at a white wall here, but it'll be really useful in traffic situations. We've got cruise and lane departure, full digital switchable interface behind the steering wheel, which I'll show you how easy that is to use. So basically, we go into the main menu of the car. I can go to display, and you can control most of the options on the car from behind here. Go to layout. I'll change it to full map display. That's how I like to do it, and that's it. Easy as that. Out of the menu, and there we go. We've got your full map display. Then we've got Pivi Pro, navigation, Bluetooth. Obviously, it's a four-wheel drive of the highest order. Off-road or on-road, this has got all the settings to help you go through water over different terrains. Then we've got the 360 camera, reversing camera. This car's got a tow bar, so you'll see we've got the tow bar with guidelines, and then we've got your four-wheel drive and lockable diff situations with obviously top view camera, rear view camera, 3D camera. Climate control, digitalised heated front seats, air suspension, really important, switchable just here. It's got everything you'd want from a Defender at a budget as well. We say a budget, it's a very good price for what you get before I fall over getting out the vehicle. On the website now, great colour combination, looks after properly with full dealer history. Be quick with this one. Thanks for watching.